Hey, how's it going, Susanville? It's 10 past 10 a.m. Got a leisurely start. We're in the White Mountain National Forest in New Hampshire, and we're going to do a nice leisurely stroll up to Mount Pemigewasset, aka Indian Head, and do a little kind of camp out for the day up there, try some new equipment out and some cooking. So I'll see you in a little bit. Peace. Hey, how's it going? It's 21 to 23. It's been fluctuating here, degrees Fahrenheit, and heading up to Indian Head, and it's just beautiful here. We got some light snow. Last night they, I think it was during the day, they got 6 to 9. Today calling for 2 to 3. It's beautiful and peaceful. You want to be certain if you do come up this way. I mean, for most winter hikers in New England, they know this, but for the other guys that come up occasionally, you'll end up squinting a lot and getting a headache. If you're not protecting your eyes from the glare on the snow. Of course, if you had severe conditions and you were doing this all day long, you could get snow blindness, but you just want to protect your eyes just to limit yourself from getting a headache. It's a beautiful place. It's 11:30 and we're not at the summit yet, but we should be. These pines are getting pretty low and thicker here, which is common for right before you hit the summit. My guess is 20 minutes or so. See you on top. All right. Woohoo! Stay away from the edge. The ice and snow go way out. Beautiful. Stay right on the track. Right down this way is the profile of the Indian's head, you know, the eyes and nose. It. The profile is right below us, and the viewing area from the Indian Head Motel is down that way. Awesome. We'll pick out a spot for some cooking. I'm going to set up shop and we'll catch you in a minute. Let's set it up. Hey! We're just cooking up a little bit. We're on top of Mount Pemigewasset, and we're using the Primus 4-season fuel. Oh, and we got a roaring boil. Holy shit! Yeah, roaring boil, roaring boil right there. That was like, I don't even know, 3 minutes. So the Primus fuel appears to be much better in these cold temperatures than your regular 3-season fuel. Wow, not even 3 minutes. I didn't even get to finish doing what I was doing. So you may want to consider that. And we're just doing, I'm going to do some dehydrated Mozambique and some hot cocoa and hang out. Trying on the, I've got the new Rab Neutrino Endurance with Primaloft. This is what some of the dog sledders are doing up north, and what a great piece of equipment. They're on sale right now over in Lincoln, New Hampshire at Lahout's Summit Shop, and they've got 30% off. This insane jacket was $200, so a good deal. If you're up this way, you may want to go grab. He's only got 2 left, so we'll catch you in a little bit. Hey, how's it going? We've been coming down from the top of Mount Pemigewasset probably for about 20 minutes or so, and we ate a nice lunch up there. It's about 1:03. Hey, how's it going? It's 1:13 and we are off the peak. Going downhill was insanely quick. With these snowshoes you can really almost jog down. Pretty cool. So this is one of the tunnels that crosses underneath the highways. So we'll try to get you a view of the profile from the road.